Hey everyone, it's Chris O. I'm putting in the all-important water stop. Which is a piece of aluminium. This is what you do. Beautiful. I've cut it to length already, so now I just pop it in. That will stop any water need something to press it down with. Water always sinks to the waterproof. It always runs, that's all sloping. All that mud that I've screeded is sloping, so it'll never come up, but you just have that as a insurance, so to speak. That'll stop any water, if there is any. There will never be any. It'll always run down there before it comes up here. But that is just, like I said, insurance. And we're home and hosed. Now, I just lay a flat floor. That's all right. Cool. Now I just lay a flat floor out to the door. And then I'll slope this. I'll put my water stop across like this. Like so. It's a bit wet, so I better dry it out. So it dries, I'll go for a sanger shortly. I must dry that out. Silicone doesn't stick to water. So by the time I come back, that'll be dry in half an hour or so. I'll pop that in there like that. If there is any water from the hand basin or anything like that, it'll go down the waste. It won't come out here because there's a water stop here as well. And then I'll be sloping it from that aluminium down to there, which I need to clean that out yet. So I'll just run my grinder through, cut out that chip a little. If I come out to the front of the architrave, I'll get rid of that chip, easy peasy, and then just angle it down my tile. This is going to be a barn door. Going across there, stopping at about there, I hope. The chippy puts a stop on so it doesn't bash the valve there. It should be all good. I'll be taking that off because I'm wrapping tile around the front. So once I've got this floor done, that feels nice. That feels nice to the touch, people. So it's nice to the foot, you know, to the feet. I'll come back when we're doing the next step. Ciao.